see him on my phone. I'm guessing where he is. Come on. God.
You're doing something good, funny.
I know, I've lost him. There he is. I can't see it. I just really see a reflection of myself in the thing.
I got it.
I want him to come back over our heads again. I'm guessing. I can't see. No, he's not. There we go. Oh. Can you actually see it? I can't actually see. I don't even know if it's pointing towards me. I'm just guessing, because that's what I see. So I'm just getting with the camera. I'm not doing pictures, I'm doing filming.
Going along the coast.
Yeah. Here he comes. Oh boy. Yeah.
Yeah, they should. You got
I can't see him, look at the sun there. Here we come.